Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here. It's October 7th. Now, I've kind of been scouring the market for the last few days, and I only found a few stocks that were even kind of worth looking at, and nothing really that I'm looking at, just kind of pounding the desk saying, I can't wait till the opening bell tomorrow because I got to buy some of this. I just don't see any of that right now. The market's just really pretty sloppy. But one of the stocks that I have been looking at is Pilgrim's Pride. I don't own any of this, but as I really look at it, this has been the trading range, about $30 up to about, we'll call it 33, probably more like 32.50 or so. But the stock's trading in this sideways range. And so if you kind of want to get an early jump on something, again, I don't own it. I don't own much right now. But if you want to get an early start on this, you get the can't help it. You got to do something. You could look at taking some of this stock, keep a real tight stop, 29.80, something like that, 29.90, like just really tight stop. Then you're into this stock at the bottom of the range, and then when the stock runs back up to 32, you're kind of sitting in the catbird seat. At least you could raise your stop at that point to a break even, so you're not risking any money. And then if the stock ultimately breaks out above 32, then you're buying more. So this is one way that you can trade this stock. By the way, I taught from chaos to patterns this weekend. It was 2 hours. I think the whole course lasted about two and a half hours, and I couldn't believe the positive feedback I got from it. We were actually, and we very rarely actually get feedback during the webinar, simply because people are too busy taking notes or just paying attention. They're not thinking, gosh, let me write down right now. But we were actually getting feedback during the workshop, telling us how meaningful the information was. And so if you want to learn more about chart reading and how to get into a place to win, I'm not going to go into detail right now, frankly, because I'm tired. But this is a really important class for you to have. I taught one on entries a while ago. That was really important. This one is a real basic thing about how to basically, without hardly even thinking about it, get rid of 90% of the stocks in the market. Don't even look at them, and instead just zoom in on the ones that have at least the potential to be good candidates. So it's more of a filtering process. And another course that dovetails onto that is going to be taught this coming weekend. I'm doing it again. Why I'm doing so much teaching right now, I don't know, but I am. And it's all free if you're a member. If you're not a member, I don't know how much we're charging for it, but it should be more than we are, I'm sure. So anyway, if you want to learn more about trading well, as opposed to just get a bunch of stock picks, definitely take those classes, okay? I'm just telling you, I worked my butt off for them, and I'm not doing it because it's going to make me money. It's for free. So anyway, I hope you check that out. Make an investment in yourself, okay? All right, see you guys next time.